Hi, this is Natalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I am here with the final part of the Teri's Crafty Christmas collaboration that I did together with Teri from Sweet Pea Papers, and that is the winner's drawing. I believe Teri already did her winner's drawing. I'm not sure where Two Sister Jam is already did that, so what a weird sentence. I'm not sure if Two Sister Jam already did their winner's drawing. I'm going to do mine within a few minutes, but I first want to explain a little bit about these little folios. I think I made this one I made in a live video, the base, and this one I made right before that live video but didn't use, but I added all the ephemera pieces in a video. So I completed this one on camera and this one started on camera. I'm just going to show you real quick how they look like. It ties with a ribbon, as you can see, and then there is a tag over here, and oh, I think it's glued. I hope not. No, it's not, but it's in there very secure. So I have this one over here, and this one goes in this envelope like so. Then it opens, and then you have a pocket here, you have a pocket over here, you have a little tuck spot over here, then it flips to this side. I just had a collage piece over here. In here is one of the journal cards I created. That was the 3rd week challenge. This was from the 2nd week to create an angel. And then we have an envelope over here, and inside that envelope there is a little journal card. I have a tag in here. Oh, sorry. And I have a tag in here. And I have 2 tags in here, like so. And then this opens, and there is a tag in here too. And this is just a collage with a butterfly tab. And then we are back at the front again. And like I said, it closes like this. Like so. And then we have a red folio. And that one closes with a clip with a little string. There is a little tassel over here. A little bow over here. I think I want to do it like so. With a little guy on the front. This is the back side. There is stitching. I need to cut off a little. Oh, there's glue on my hands. And this is the inside. There is a fabric pocket, and this is a shaker tag I created off camera, but it's in here, and this is one of the challenges we did. So I put this one in here. We have fabric, and then we have all sorts of different papers. Then I added one of the cards in here. You can take it out, send it away, or just leave it and use it as a journaling spot. And there is another card in here, and different ledger papers, vintage music papers, and at the end there is another card over here, another piece of fabric. And this one is just the shaker card what we created in the 1st week challenge, and this is just in here like so. And then you can close it and wrap it, and then tie it. And then we have the bells. You can also leave the bells over here. That's an option too. So like I said, I am going to spin for these 2. And the idea is to give one of them to a US, a member, or a member, of course, that lives in the US. And the other one is going to be for non-US. And the reason why is because there are a lot of people from the US joining in with the Facebook groups. It's just more popular for people from the United States. So I also want to give somebody a prize that is not living in the US. So, well, it is as fair as possible. And then I'm also going to spin 3 times for digitals, and I'm going to spin. So the first spin is going to be for the blue one, the second for the red. The third spin is going to be for the first prize, 3 digitals. Then I'm going to spin another time for 2 digitals. And then the final spin is for 1 digital from LineDotArrow. And if you want, please contact me via my Etsy store. I'm not sure if I'm able to respond today because, well, we have some time difference between us and it's already late at night for me. But I will get to sending out the papers. If you want, you can tell me what you want to win. If the best thing is to copy the link and send that in a message or send screenshot of the actual kit, because sometimes people say I want the vintage grungy kit and then I have to find out which one they mean, which is not an issue at all. But if you want to have it fast, tell me you won, which prize you won in which Facebook group so I can check, and also let me know which kit you want to receive. So I'm going to switch over to the laptop. And then I am going to spin, and after the spinning I will be back to my desk. Okay, so here we are at the wheel, and the first spin is going to be for the physical prize, and it's going to be for the blue little envelope folio. So the person's name that pops up is going to win that blue envelope folio. And the first prize, well, not the first prize, was the winner of the blue folio from Blue Christmas. That is Mel Cockburn. So congratulations, Mel. I'm going to remove your name from the wheel. And now we are going to spin for the red little folio. And the red folio winner is Corey Cogden. So congratulations, Corey. And I'm going to remove your name completely from the wheel. And now I'm going to spin for the kids, the digital kids. And the winner is Fern Fig. Congratulations, I'm going to remove you. So you won the red, no, not the red, the 3 digitals, I'm so sorry. And now I'm going to spin for the second prize. And the 2 kids go to Windy Star Ellen Tiller. So congratulations, Windy. I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel. There you go. And now I'm going to spin for the 3rd prize. That is 1 digital from LineDotArrow. And the 3rd prize goes to Sheila Johnson. Congratulations, Sheila. I'm going to shift big. I'm going to shift back to the desk, and then you will see me back in a minute. So congratulations to all the winners. I'm going to send these out, but you have to contact me via my Etsy store so I know where to ship these. And to the ladies that won the digital kits, please contact me via my Etsy store. Tell me which prize you won in which Facebook group, in which drawing. So this is going to be the LineDotArrow Facebook group. And also, if possible, also let me know which kit or kits you want to receive. And I like to receive a link from the actual kit, if that's possible, or a screenshot, so I know for sure which one you want. I'm not going to send out the kits today. I will not be able to do that because it's already very late over here. The little folios will be shipped out after New Year's Day, because if I ship them out now, they will be on their way very, very, very long. I'm not sure if the winners are actually both not in the US or both in the US. So to cover that, because I'm not going to say that one of these ladies didn't win. To cover that, I'm going to check if they contact me. If they are both in the US, then I will come back in January, and I'm going to have all the names. I'm going to ask all the people that join in LineDotArrow with the challenges to tell me where they live. So then I can do a redraw for a person that is not living in the US. Otherwise, I don't know how to tackle this. It was a great idea, but obviously I didn't think it through, because now I don't know if both the ladies are outside the US or in the US. So there will be a 3rd drawing if necessary. And I'm so sorry about this, but on the other hand, there will be another prize to give away. I also want to thank you all for joining in. And I want to thank all the collaborators. That is the people that joined the collab for just one time, and also the design team members. But I want to thank everybody for joining in and doing such great work with such inspiring projects. And I think it was a great collaboration. So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. This is it. This is the final giveaway for 2024. And I'm looking forward to 2025. And like I said, if this is not the correct way, one not US, one in US, I will do an extra drawing and send out an extra prize. But first, let me figure out if I did it wrong. If I did it wrong, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to correct it. So thank you all for watching. I hope you liked the video. Leave a comment. If you're not a subscriber, maybe you want to be a subscriber. And thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you the next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye-bye. Bye.